Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing great. I am Priyanka Vinswadia from Shubham English Medium School. I welcome you all in our today's learning session. Today we are going to learn a topic in math, that is months of the year. Do you know how many months are there? There are 12 months in a year. Which is the first month of the year? Let me help you. The first month of the year is January. Read the spelling. January. January. So we stick this month in the first box. So the first month of the year is January. January. Now it's your turn. Read the spelling. January. January. Now in this month we celebrate many festivals such as Kite Festival. Do you like to fly kites? Yes, on Kite Festival we fly many kites in the sky. On the day the sky is full of different colorful kites. Now one more festival we celebrate in this month, and that is Republic Day. Our Republic Day we celebrate on 26th January. So this is the month of January. Now can you tell me which month comes after the January? Which is the second month of the year? Yes, the second month of the year is February. Let's read the spelling. February. February. So the second month of the year is February. February. Now in this month we celebrate a festival on God Shiva, that is Mahashivratri. So this is the month of February. February. Now which month comes after the February? Which month is the third month of the year? Let me help you. It's March. Read the spelling. March. March. So March is the third month of the year. March. Now it's your turn. Read the spelling. March. In the month of March we celebrate Holi with different colors. Do you like to play with colors? Yes. So in March we celebrate Holi Dhuleti. Okay? March. March is the third month of the year. Now which month comes after March? What is the fourth month of the year? Let me help you. This is April. 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 April is the fourth month of the year. Let's read the spelling. April. April. Now it's your turn. Read with me. April. April. In April we have our first semester exam. This is the month of April. April is the fourth month of the year. Now can you tell me which month comes after March? Look at the board and find out the answer. Which month comes after the March? After March it comes April. April. It's April. Now can you tell me which comes after April? It's May. May. May is the fifth month of the year. May. Now it's your turn. Read the spelling. May. May is the fifth month of the year. In May we have summer vacation. We go to summer camp in the month of May. Now what comes after May? What is the 6th month of the year? Let me help you. The 6th month of the year is June. 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 June is the 6th month of the year. Let's read the spelling. June. June. Now it's your turn. Read the spelling. June. June. June is the 6th month of the year. In June, our school is reopening. After vacation, our school is reopening. In which month? In June. So June comes after May, and June is the 6th month of the year. Now it's time for 7th month. Which month is the 7th month of the year? It's July. 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 July is the 7th month of the year. Read the spelling. July. July. In July, we have a monsoon season. We enjoy this season. In this season, we wear raincoats and we use umbrella to protect our body from rain. So July is the 7th month of the year. Now look at the board and can you tell me which month comes after June? Find out first of all, where is June? It is June? No. It is June? No. Then where is June? Yes, it is June. Now can you tell me which month comes after June? It's July. 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 July comes after June. Now it's time for 8th month. Do you know which is the 8th month of the year? It's August. 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 August is the 8th month of the year. August comes after July. Let's read the spelling. August. August. In August, we celebrate many festivals such as Raksha Bandhan. On the Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sister. On this day, sister tie up a rakhi on the wrist of her brother. इस दिन को बहन जो है वो अपने भाई की कलाई पर राखी बांधती है. So Raksha Bandhan comes in the month of August. One more festival we celebrate in this month, and this is our Independence Day. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. So this is the month of August. 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 Now, which month comes after August? It's September. 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 September is the 9th month of the year. September comes after August. Let's read the spelling. September. September. One more time, it's your turn. Read with me. September. September. We celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in this month. September is the 9th month of the year. Now can you tell me which month comes after September? What is the 10th month of the year? It's October. Let's read the spelling. October. October. October is the 10th month of the year. and October comes after September. Let's read the spelling. October. October. Now it's your turn. Read with me. October. October. In October, we celebrate many festivals such as 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Gandhiji. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. One more festival, Navratri. We celebrate Navratri in the October month. Now, what comes after October? It's November. November is the 11th month of the year. Let's read the spelling. November. November. November is the 11th month of the year. And November comes after October. Let's read the spelling. November. November. One more time. It's your turn. Speak with me. November. In November, our first season begins. That is winter. We enjoy the winter season in the month of November. Now, can you tell me which month comes after November? Which is the 12th and last month of the year? Which month is remaining? Yes, it's December. 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 December is the 12th month of the year. December comes after November. Let's read it again. December. December. Now it's your turn. Speak with me. December. December is the 12th month of the year. And December is the last month of the year. We celebrate Christmas in this month. Let's have a recall of all this month. The first month of the year is January. Let's read the spelling. January. January. After January, the second month of the year is February. Let's read the spelling. February. February. Now, what comes after February? The third month of the year is March. March comes after February. Let's read the spelling. March. March. Now, what comes after March? It's April. April is the fourth month of the year. Let's read the spelling. April. April. After April, it's May. May is the fifth month of the year. May. Now, which month comes after May? It's June. June is the sixth month of the year. Let's read the spelling. June. June. After June, it's July. July is the seventh month of the year. Let's read the spelling. July. July. After July, August. August is the eighth month of the year. August. August. Now, which month comes after August? After August is September. Let's read the spelling. September. September. September is the ninth month of the year. After September, it's October. October is the 10th month of the year. Let's read the spelling. October. October. After October, it's November. November is 11th month of the year. Let's read the spelling. November. B-E-R, November. And after November, it's December. December is the 12th month of the year and it is the last month of the year. Let's read the spelling. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Now, I hope you have understood it and liked it and enjoyed it. Keep practicing it daily at home. We will meet in our next session. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.